Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking the one objective that drives every choice: conversion, lead, or recall. Once decided, pick the format and aspect ratio: 16:9 for desktop or 9:16 for mobile. Make sure to prepare a short script and a minimal storyboard so shots are purposeful. Next, set up a simple kit: camera or phone, external mic, and one soft light. Film the first takes with intention: close-ups for emotion, medium for context, and record alternate lines for safety. Once you have your footage, edit with the hook up front. Open within the first 3 seconds to stop the scroll. Assemble A-roll, B-roll, and alternate takes, then craft a concise voiceover that reinforces the visual message. Make sure to add captions and a bold on-screen headline using your brand color. This increases retention. Adjust audio levels, remove background noise, and choose a subtle music bed that supports emotion without competing with voice. Export short versions for each placement. You finish by exporting final masters and creating 3 strategic variants. Change the hook, swap the CTA, or test a new thumbnail. Upload and run a /B tests for 5 to 7 days, tracking CTR, CPA, and view-through rate so data guides the winner. If performance is low, act fast. Swap the opening shot or tighten the edit to a stronger 3 to 5 second hook, or try a clearer CTA. One troubleshooting tip: if audio masks the message, lower music and rebalance voice immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.